come back to education. The role of the government in the strengthening regulation and appropriate education. We are the first and
Nevertheless, well, so it can be concluded that awareness of the importance of protecting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are the first and
Nevertheless, from
Zuli. Yay!
Welcome to our podcast. I'm Malika Mega Zulia. You can call me Eva, and now I'm not alone because I'm here with my friend. Okay, please introduce yourself.
My name Irab Iksal Arifin from UIN Raden Intan Lampung, but you can call me Iksan.
Today we're going to have a little discussion with question and answer about why is the awareness of Indonesian people to protect our environment is still low. Okay, so for the first question is Isan, what do you think about protect our environment? Is it urgent for us?
For me, the environment is the place where living things live, including humans who were sent down to become health on Earth. It is very important for us as humans to take care of the environment, not only beneficial to the living beings themselves, but also as God command that we must carry out, as Allah says in Quran Surat Al-Baqarah verse 30, wa idh qala rabbuka lil malaikati inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifah. And remember when your Lord said to the angel, indeed I will place a Khalifah on earth.
True, we don't only live in here but also protect our earth and can demonstrate it as Allah says in Surah Al-Araf verse 56. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wala tufsidu fil ardi ba'da islahiha wad'uhu khawfan wa tama'an inna rahmatallahi qaribun minal muhsinin. And don't spread corruption in the earth after it has been set in order, and call upon Him with fear and hope. Indeed, the mercy of Allah is close to the breakthrough. But as we can see, there's so much trouble in Indonesia, especially about protecting our environment. So how conscious are individuals to protecting the environment?
True, there are still a lot of environmental problems in Indonesia, from the various fields, starting from the industrial sector, agriculture, to education. Even the existing regulations are still not strong, become very important. This is not only from the government, but from oneself. All the environmental problems start from the self-awareness. In my opinion, awareness of environmental protection in Indonesia is still low and needs to be improved.
So what causes individuals to still have a low awareness?
Many factors are the cause of the low awareness of the Indonesian people, such as lack of education and habits.
Education? Are we always taught in school to protect our environment? Even in college, we still have learning in the classroom, right?
Yes, of course. But education, I mean, is home. The home is the first place of education for children. Habits start at home. Parents and families can get into the habit of the small things like throwing garbage in the place, using drinking water to reduce single-use plastic, and watering plants in the morning. Although it seems simple, this small habit will further strengthen education in the realms of education. Children have been nurtured from an early age to have awareness in protecting the environment.
Then, what about children and society whose awareness is still low? What they can do?
Now, this will come back to education, the role of the government in the strengthening regulation and appropriate education for children and the community is currently expected to be able to increase. Awareness of the protection the environment. Basically, this awareness must be posed by every individual so that collaboration between the groups can occur in a balanced and harmonious manner. Because Allah does not like His servants who destroy the environment, like in the Surah Al-Baqarah ayat 205. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَإِذَا تَوَلَّى سَعَىٰ فِي الْأَرْضِ لِيُفْسِدَ فِيهَا وَيُهْلِكَ الْحَرْثَ وَالنَّسْلَ وَاللَّهُ لَا يُحِبُّ الْفَسَادَ. And when they turn away from you, they strip throughout the land of the spread mischief in it, and destroy crops and cattle. Allah doesn't like mischief.
Well, so it can be concluded that awareness of the importance of protecting the environment for each individual is a shared responsibility that must start from home education and be strengthened by collaboration between the government and the community. By improving education and forming good habits, we can live in harmony with the environment and fulfill God's command to take care of the earth that has been given to us. Alright, that's all for our podcast today. Please wait for the next episode from 2E.
Thank you very much for your attention. See ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.